And it's Bonnie. Happy Tuesday! Oh my goodness, you guys, grab a tea. I can't reach my tea. I can't reach my tea because I have a giant box of fall Bath and Body Works on my lap. This is what it is like to be a YouTuber. It's so much fun, by the way. I gotta say, I have way too much fall product, so I am going to go through my giant fall bin here. I'm going to organize, I'm going to declutter, and I am going to do a bin of stuff that I personally want to keep using. So what I did was I kind of went around my house and I picked up everything that I was currently using and I threw it in a box because we're going to figure out what's in here. I got a mess. I got a box here for my sister-in-law, Renee. She's going to be so excited. I'm going to send her a whole bunch of fall. And then I actually pulled this one. I have another girlfriend who likes sweater weather. I'm going to give this to her later today. I don't love sweater weather. That woodsy note in there, there's so much more I love. I got a bin here for my personal body care. And then on the floor here, I have another bin. I'm going to throw the shower gel in there. We have been going through a crazy amount of Bath & Body Works shower gel this year. I swear, we're all just overusing it. It's all good. And then I'm going to figure out, too, what I still need to review. So I really need to do a major organization because I've gotten a little behind. And we got Christmas coming. You know Christmas is going to be big. So I'm just going to go through all this. So shower gel. I'm going to start setting shower gel. Vampire Blood shower gel. Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte from last year. I'm going to throw that in the shower. Everlasting Magic. I got to use one of these, and then I was like, where's my other one? Actually, oops, I just dripped everywhere. I love this in the shower gel. I can't wait to actually put that in the shower. Okay, we have Halloween. I've got a Midnight Spell. I've got a Vampire Blood. Oh my gosh, my beloved Leaves. I've been using this a lot. Oh my gosh. I love Leaves in the body care. So that's actually going in the bin that I use. Pumpkin Pecan Waffles. Sold out, you guys. Oh my gosh. I can't believe this is sold out. If you like to smell like food, Pumpkin Pecan Waffles is definitely your scent. Together Weather. I'm going to gift this off. The girlfriend that likes sweater weather, I think she's going to like Together Weather. So I'm actually going to give her that. Ivory Cashmere. That's going to my mom. I think my mom... Do you guys remember if my mom liked Ivory Cashmere? I'm going to see if she liked it. Oh, Cozy Vanilla Bourbon. I love this one. I got to say, this is the one that is like one of my favorites. Okay, so that is in my bin. I have... Oh, Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte was good this year. I'm trying to organize these too because I want to do a big compilation video. Shower gel. Okay, shower gel. I'm keeping all my shower gel. Leaves shower gel. I gotta put that in the bathroom. Let's see. Oh, Cozy Vanilla Bourbon. I have so many of those, you guys. Okay, Cozy Vanilla Bourbon. I had to stop the video. Life of a YouTuber. My daughter was calling me. It's so funny. That's another thing when you're doing Life of a YouTuber. The dog barks. You get people calling you. There's someone delivering something. Oh, by the way, I'm getting my Luminous coupons in the mail. I'm going to do another video about that later. Okay, moving into my box again. Vampire Blood and Midnight Spell in the Shimmer Fizz Body Lotion. For Vlogtober, I'm going to do a whole revisit on the Bath & Body Works Halloween body care collection because it's so awesome. Oh, the Vampire Blood. This is the hand spray. I want to stick this in my purse. By the way, did anyone else notice that this kind of stains? It's a little bit red when it comes out. You got to be careful with this, but I need some hand sanitizer. So that's actually going in my purse. Okay, so we got that. What is this? Oh, this shouldn't even be in here. This is the Victoria's Secret Pink Hair Body Mist in the honey. See, I got stuff in here that shouldn't even be in here. Okay, that's not good. Oh, I have an old Winter Candy Apple Exfoliating Glow Body Scrub. Why is this in here? That's actually going in the bathroom stuff. Oh, I have a pocket bag. Oh my gosh. See, this is why I need to do a monster declutter. Oh, Black Cherry Merlot. This is actually going, this is still sealed, actually. I got this for my sister-in-law because I know she likes that. So that's for Renee. Magic, Everlasting Magic. I need to see how many of these I have because I want to send her some Halloween, but I think I have dupes on everything. So I've got Vampire Blood, Everlasting Magic, and Midnight Spell in the Mist. And I want to keep one of those for myself, obviously. This is the Everlasting Magic in the lotion. So I got to make sure I keep one of those for myself. Sweater Weather. I want to keep the mists on these because I want to do a whole fall compilation. Oh, Strawberry Snowflakes coming back for Christmas. Somehow that got in there. We're just going to set that right there. Okay. Oh, Fresh Vanilla Blossoms. I have not reviewed this yet. Okay. Fresh Vanilla Blossoms. I'm going to put this in a safe place because that needs reviewed. We're going to stick this over here in the corner. Enchanted Candy Potion. I had one of these left and I've kind of been throwing this on. Oh, that smells so good. It smells like sugar. Okay, I got to keep that. Smoked Old Fashioned Bourbon. I have men's stuff in here. That's going back to my husband. What else do I have in here? Oh my gosh, you guys, what a mess. Okay, Black Cherry Merlot in the body mist. Copper Fields. Not a fan. I don't know what I'm going to do with that. I might see if Renee likes that, or I might just gift that out if she doesn't want it. Oh, Sweater Weather. I know she wanted Sweater Weather too. Okay, so that's going in the box to send her. Fallen Bloom. I'm going to send her Fallen Bloom too. I want to send her a bunch of stuff. Oh, my Sweet Whiskey. I grabbed this off of my dresser this morning. That's going right back in there. Sunrise Woods. Okay, so we got that. Oh, Pumpkin Pecan Waffles. I'm keeping that because that we have a low stock on. Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin. I think I have 2 of these. No, I don't. I had Pumpkin Pecan Waffles. Okay, so that's going in my keep box. My keep box is full, you guys. Oh my gosh, I've got a bunch of Victoria's Secret pink stuff in here. Sugar Sky Warm Vanilla. My daughter wanted these, and I never got them in her room. So thank goodness I'm doing this today. Look, I found a lid. Okay, so the lid goes on there. Oh, Sugar Sky. Okay, that's going to my daughter. Oh, Fresh Start Sage and Cedarwood. I'm going to gift that one off. That one I wasn't crazy about. I'm going to keep the water collection. Actually, my mom kind of liked that. That's going to my mom. I got soap in here. What the heck? The soap is not supposed to even be in here. So we're going to get rid of the soap. Okay. The Avon Purple Shampoo. I don't even know why I had this in here. By the way, it's sealed. This one. This shampoo is like, it takes the brassiness out of blondes. It's super nice, actually. That needs to go in the bathroom. Okay, so that goes there. Apple Dream. That goes to my daughter. I'm doing good here, you guys. Look, I'm almost done with my bin. Ivory Cashmere. I don't know what I'm going to do with Ivory Cashmere. You know, I think I'm going to give this to Renee. I'm not sure my mom liked that much. Okay, that's going to her. Oh, I got to keep Moonlit Martini. Where's the lid? This one's mine. Okay, isn't this fun? I love doing this. I love organizing. Oh, I have another Ivory Cashmere. Okay, we're going to get rid of that. I know who would want that. Somehow this Avon stuff got in here. This is the new vitamin C. I got to organize that, put that with Avon. I have another channel, Beauty Geek. It's down below, so if you want to check that out. Why the heck is Poolside Cabana in here? Oh my gosh. I have no idea. I'm going to send that to my sister-in-law, though. Oh, my old sweet whiskey. That's mine. That is mine. Groovy Watermelon. Why is Groovy Watermelon in here? See, this is why I have to do this. I have to review the new In the Stars, new packaging. Okay, that goes in the review list. The Coco Shea, I'm keeping that. More men's stuff, vintage. I have a piece of plastic. That goes in the garbage. I actually am trying to be very organized. So what I'm trying to do, I have a metal rack over here, and I have these nice bins from Michaels. I'm doing a bin. Car fragrance, pocket backs, lip gloss, bath fizzies. I just want to have everything organized going into fall because it's going to get a little bit crazy. Okay, I have another Vampire Blood, but I don't know if I have a backup of my backup on the Halloween. I need double backups on that. I've actually been gifting off some of the Halloween stuff. You know, if someone sees me, they're like, oh, do you have any Vampire Blood? I do. Okay, so this is soap. This is actually good. Remember the other day I was looking for soap? I found more soap in here. Oh, the Manhattan Nightcap. I love this in the deodorant. That's going to stay on my desk. I'm actually using that. That's wonderful. I have Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin in the hand soap. Okay, I got that. And then I have, oh, the leaves in the body lotion. That's going to go to my sister-in-law. So I'm going to throw that in there. Oh, I found the lid. I hate when I lose my lids. I hate when I lose my lids. Okay. Oh my gosh, you guys, check it out. My box is empty. You know what that means? I get to refill that box. I'm excited. Okay. I have an Into the Night. I have no idea how this got on my desk. And then I have, oh, another Avon vitamin C product. I don't even know how this got on here. Okay, so that's actually got to be put away. And then I'm going to be a little bit more organized. I have more stuff, by the way, because this stuff won't even fit in the box. I have a Everlasting Magic Sweet Whiskey Diamond Shimmer Mist. I collect these, so I'm going to put these in my Diamond Shimmer Mist box. I have another Everlasting Magic. I want 2 of these for myself. And I don't think I have the, what is it? Midnight Spell. I don't know if I have another Midnight Spell. I got to get one. And then if we have another body care sale, I might get my sister-in-law some stuff. I'm going to give her vetiver and vanilla too. I wasn't super crazy about that one. She might like it. Her and I have a little bit different taste and stuff. Okay, so I got that. What else is over here? Oh, I have my old Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin from like years ago. That needs to be put away in my collection. And then I have a Whiskey Reserve shower gel. I can give that to my husband. But do I have anything else? I actually think I did pretty good. Oh, you know what I didn't do? Oh my gosh. I know what I did. Oh my gosh. Look, Together Weather in the body butter. I'm going to give this to Renee. I think she might like this. This just didn't do anything for me. I don't know why, but she might like that. Okay, so I'm going to give her that. And then, you know, it's funny. There's always something else to be found. I think I did it, you guys. That actually wasn't too bad. I'm not as horrified as I thought. So I have a whole bin of stuff for me to use. Actually, now that I'm thinking, I'm 99% sure I have more Vampire Blood because I know I have a Vampire Blood that's like partially used in my room. I think I had like a separate bin. Does anyone else do this? By the way, I can reach my tea now, thankfully. Does anyone else just keep bins of product like all throughout their house? I did a video once a long time ago and I was like, you know, keep a bin of fine fragrance mist like in your dining room. And then when you're walking by and you're late for work or something, you can just pick one up and use it and you don't have to like go back to your room. I do. Like I'll have like these baskets of body care like lying throughout the house, bathroom, bedroom, like I said, my dining room. And then when I walk through, I'm just like, you know, spraying along here. So I do think I might have some more of the, oh yeah, here's how many, I have 2 Vampire Blood. I know I saw one in the living room. I might not have picked that one up. But anyway, I'm actually feeling a little bit more organized. Like I said, if you're brand new to my channel, I do buy everything to review because I want to give you like the best experience each season and give you my opinion on products. I like showing everybody, you know, like the different, you know, the body cream. I've kind of stopped buying body lotion. I did get a couple that I'm gifting off to my sister-in-law, but for the most part, I don't really use the body lotion that much. I'm a body cream kind of girl, and then I also use this to polish my furniture, as many of you know. So the body creams are my thing, so I've tried to like, that's one thing that I can, you know, kind of take off the list. as far as, spending the extra money. But I do tend to shop the single price sales as much as I can. Usually, like, if there's a new product coming out, that's when I'll like take one for the team and be like, I'm paying extra because I want to get it out to you guys. I am dying to see, by the way, the faceted Christmas collection. I know it's going to be pricey. That's kind of a disappointment, the pricing on that. But we shall see. So it's kind of interesting that we're starting to move into wrapping up fall. Where did my champagne apple and honey go, by the way? You know what? I know what I did with a bunch of these. Remember when my mom was on? I gave her a big bin, and that's the one area, like, I didn't go into my mom's room and steal all her stuff. So she's got a big thing in there, too. Actually, guys, I had to stop the camera because out of the corner of my eye, I'm like, oh my goodness, I know where the rest of my fall is. I'm like, I am missing a ton of stuff. So I have a little wooden table next to my makeup table in here. And sure enough, yes, this is actually the stuff I've kind of been using. And it's like so, every day, I like totally forgot to bring it out. Chasing Fireflies. Let's see. Cozy Vanilla Bourbon. I've been using all of these scents. Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin. Leaves. Leaves is definitely a good one. I've got the Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte in the cream. Moonlit Martini, which I've been using. Manhattan Nightcap in the cream. I've been using this. I never even gave that to my husband. My Missing Everlasting Magic in my Shimmer Fizz. I'm glad I found that, actually. Black Cherry Merlot in the cream. Let's see. Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte. My champagne apple and honey that I thought was missing. I haven't even been using this, but it's been hiding out in here. I have 2 more shower gels, which I need to put in the bathroom. I've got a Leaves and I've got a Black Cherry Merlot. So those are going right in the bathroom. And then check it out. This is the Midnight Spell. Remember I said I wanted 2 Midnight Spells. I thought I bought 2. Here's my second one. And Fall in Bloom, which I don't really use that much, but I'm not giving up the bottle because I really love this ombre bottle. So, I think now I have 2 of all of the body spray, body or fine fragrance mist in the Halloween. However, like, these are going to be the 2 that I put away as like an archive because I want 2 of each of those, which means that the next body care sale, I might get like 1 Everlasting Magic and 1 Vampire Blood to use like in October for myself. Okay, I feel better now that I found this because like, where the heck was this extra stuff? Because I'm like, I know I have more. But yeah, we're definitely in this odd area. We've got 4 days left in September. October is going to be a big mix of like Halloween, Christmas. Fall will start to like trickle out, although I use my fall well into December. And I'm kind of curious if we're going to get another body care collection. I mean, this feels a little bit like late fall, but I'm kind of wondering if Bath & Body Works might give us something else. I would really like White Pumpkin and Chai back. I don't know. I'm kind of hoping that maybe some of these, Thanksgiving type of scents sneak in. 1 more collection for fall. I don't know. We shall see, but I'm sure there's more coming soon. Anyway, thank you so much for hanging out with me for my declutter. This was really good. Now that I have that empty box, I'm going to start filling that up with my Christmas body care when it starts to roll in, and I'm going to put all this away. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.